Tired of clicking through endless menus? Let's turn you into a keyboard ninja. Today, we're diving into the ultimate A to Z shortcut guide that will supercharge your productivity. Ready? Let's start with the classics. Ctrl A. Select all. Need to grab everything in a document or folder? This is your go-to. Ctrl B. Bold. Instantly make your text stand out. Ctrl C. Copy. The cornerstone of all shortcuts. Grab that text. Grab that file. Ctrl D. Bookmark. In your browser, it saves the current page. In word processors, it opens the font dialog box. Super handy. Ctrl E. Center align. Perfect for titles and headings. Ctrl F. Find. Don't waste time scrolling. Just hit Ctrl F and type what you're looking for. Ctrl G. Go to. In browsers and documents, it lets you jump to a specific page or line. Ctrl H. Find and replace. A lifesaver for editing long documents. Swap one word for another everywhere, instantly. Ctrl I. Italicize. Add a little flair to your text. Ctrl J. Justify alignment. This gives your paragraphs those clean, sharp edges like in a newspaper. In browsers, it opens your downloads. Ctrl K. Insert hyperlink. Want to link to a cool website in your document? This is the fastest way. Ctrl L. Left align. The default for most text, but essential to know. In a browser, it highlights the address bar so you can type a new URL. Ctrl M. New slide in PowerPoint. For all you presentation pros out there. In some text editors, it indents the paragraph. Ctrl N. New document, new window, new whatever you're working on. A fresh start. Ctrl O. Open. Quickly open an existing file without touching your mouse. Ctrl P. Print. Straight from your keyboard to the printer. Ctrl Q. Quit. Close the entire application. Be careful with this one. Ctrl R. Reload or refresh. Is the page not loading right? Just refresh it. In word processors, it right aligns your text. Ctrl S. Save. Probably the most important shortcut of all. Save your work and save it often. Ctrl T. New tab. For all you multitaskers with a million tabs open. Ctrl U. Underline. Emphasize a point or a link. Ctrl V. Paste. The inseparable partner to Ctrl C. What you copy, you must paste. Ctrl W. Close tab or window. A quick way to clean up your workspace. Don't confuse it with Ctrl Q. Ctrl X. Cut. It's like copy, but it removes the original. Perfect for moving things around. Ctrl Y. Redo. Did you undo something by mistake? Ctrl Y brings it right back. And finally, Ctrl Z. Undo. The magic eraser for your digital life. Made a mistake? Just undo it. And there you have it, the full A to Z of essential keyboard shortcuts. Practice these and you'll be flying through your tasks like a pro. How many of these did you already know? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more productivity tips, and share this video with a friend who's still stuck in the click and drag era. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.